Tidak ada yang tahu kapan pandemi COVID-19 ini akan berakhir. Sampai Selasa 28 April 2020, jumlah kasus positif COVID-19 di Indonesia telah mencapai 9.511. Dengan kasus sembuh berjumlah 1.254 kasus dan kematian mencapai 773 kasus. Angka tersebut masih akan terus bertambah seiring berbagai upaya pencegahan yang dilakukan baik oleh pemerintah maupun seluruh warga negara Indonesia.
That is what happened in Indonesia about the coronavirus. Therefore, me and my friend will try to get an understanding of what the coronavirus is and of transmission and prevention. All will be explained by my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zahra Gunafiani. Here I will explain a little about the understanding of the coronavirus. Coronavirus or severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2 is a virus that attacks the respiratory system. The disease caused by a viral infection is called COVID-19. Coronavirus can cause mild disturbance to the respiratory system, severe lung infections to death. Coronavirus infections is called COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019 and was first discovered in the city of Wuhan, China at the end of December 2019. This virus is transmitted very quickly and has spread to almost all countries, including Indonesia, in just a few months. This makes some countries implement policies to impose lockdowns in order to prevent the spread of coronavirus. In Indonesia itself, a large-scale social restrictions or PSBB policy was put in place to suppress the spread of this virus.
Jakarta, CNN Indonesia. Director General of the World Health Organization, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus recalls that the development of the COVID-19 pandemic around the world is far from over. He said the WHO would continue to raise awareness of the increasing report of the COVID-19 cases in Africa, Asian Europe, Latin America, and several ASEAN countries. This pandemic is far from over. Some countries' cases and mortality rate have not been reported due to low testing capacity, he told a press conference at the WHO headquarters in Geneva on Monday, as reported by CNN. From this reason, he said the WHO would continue to provide support in increasing the capacity of testing and providing personal protective equipment to Africa, Asia, and other countries in the world.
Okay, I will relate the COVID-19 virus transmission. Coronavirus transmission can occur through the following things: droplets or liquid droplets that come from coughing and sneezing. Personal contact such as touching and shaking hands. Touching an object or surface with a virus on it, then touching the mouth, nose, or eyes before washing hands. A recent study shows the potential for organ transmission.
Common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, fatigue, and dry cough. Some patients may experience pain and pain, blocked nose, a cold, sore throat, or diarrhea. And these symptoms are usually mild and appear gradually. Some of the infected showed no symptom and remain healthy. Most about 80% of the infected recover without the need for the special treatment. About 1 in 6 people who had COVID-19 become seriously ill and had difficult breathing. Elderly, and people with persisting medical conditions such as blood pressure, heart trouble, or diabetes are more likely to develop more serious illnesses. Those with fever, cough, and breathing difficulties should seek medical attention.
COVID-19 from other people who have this virus. COVID-19 can spread from person to person through that spark come out when infected people cough. This spark then fall on nearby objects and surfaces. People who touch their eyes, nose, and mouth without washing hands can be infected with this virus. Transmission of COVID-19 can also occur if people inhale spark that come out of the co-infected people. Therefore, it's very important for us to keep distance from other people and don't forget for washing your hands.
To explain a little about rapid test. According to our doctor, rapid test is an initial screening method to detect antibodies, namely IgG and IgM, which are produced by the body to fight the coronavirus. In the other words, if this antibody are detected in a person's body has been exposed or entered by the coronavirus. But you need to know the formations of these antibodies takes time, even up several weeks or even more. So, the rapid test is only screening test. The purpose conducting this rapid test is in order to the government and health workers can find out who has the potential to spread the coronavirus. Thank you.
Coronavirus or COVID-19 cannot be treated, but there are some steps that doctor can take to reduce symptoms and prevent the spread of the virus. Namely, first, referring patients with severe COVID-19 to undergo treatment and quarantine in a rural hospital. Second, provide fever medication and pain relievers that are safe and in accordance with the patient condition. Third, encourage sufferers of COVID-19 to do independent isolation and adequate rest. Fourth, encourage sufferers of COVID-19 to drink lots of water to maintain body fluid levels.
Lockdown. Coronavirus itself began to emerge in December 2019 in China and began to spread throughout the world. The Chinese government had previously carried out a lockdown in Wuhan City, or the place where the virus first appeared. Based on English dictionary, lockdown means lockdown that is countries infected with the coronavirus locked in out access as a tight security measure to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Lockdown is also carried out with the prohibition of holding meetings involving many people, closing schools to public places. By doing so, the risks of coronavirus transmission to people outside the lockdown area can be reduced.
So, remember my friend, the view is like a fire, and you that the fire has no fuel that can ignite it, and eventually they will leave themselves. Please stay at home, my friend.
Most common symptoms of COVID-19 are fever, fatigue,
Coronavirus or COVID-19 cannot be treated, but merosot.
Around the world is noisy.